browse for free on your phone when you are out of data. Now there's some times whereby you can actually browse unlimited, but the one that is mostly available is limited data, because most of the time it get blocked. But this is actually how to browse for free when you don't have data. So right now I'm out of data, I'm 0 MB. So actually if I want to use my banking app to recharge, or maybe whatever means, or that I'm stranded, there's a way. So what you do is you need to go to Play Store and download an app called Stack VPN. This is Stack VPN. It's actually connected. Let me disconnect it. It's
If you borrow 100,000 naira for 3 months, you need to repay 100,400 naira. If you borrow 300,000 naira for 6 months, you need to repay 300,950 naira. If you borrow 500,000 naira for 9 months, you need to repay 501,500 naira.
It's okay. Okay. So when you download the app from Play Store, you go to settings and then you go to update tweak. Once you get to update tweaks, once you click on it, it will search and to update the tweak. So display virtually.
Making 20K
oh,
just
this app is too much
on your phone.
Apologies for that. That's one of the features that come with the app.
And guess what? You don't even need to deposit to get
started. Everything is free though.
Just sign up right now and claim your 200
at least
instantly.
If they're giving you data for free, you should watch the ads.
Join
But you can't
millions of
skip it.
real
So
Nigerians already winning big every
let me just
single
click
day.
on
So what are you waiting for?
cancel. Yeah, cancel. So you go to this place under this auto server. You go to settings, then pick on the network that you want to use. If you are using MTN, you are using Airtel. Look at this. There's MTN, there's Glo. There was a time this Glo Unlimited was working, but it was later blocked. 9 Mobile Unlimited, there was a time it was working, it was later blocked. So, but the one that for this video we have the 100 MB version, which is working. We also have the education bundle. So at least within 100 MB, you can actually recharge your line with your banking app or whatever means you want to do. So just click on MTN 100 MB daily. Click on it. It's give you 100 MB daily for every 24 hours. So you can click on it. Then click on start. It's loading. It's loading. So right now it's connected. I know it will come with this ad. That's normal. Network is bad. So what will I do? What I need to do is just go to YouTube. Let me try with YouTube. Okay, it's loading. As you can see, that's open. I'm watching this for free right now. Can you see? Actually for free. So this on your knees to use VPN to browse for free when you're out of data, or it is just for emergency purpose. You can't use it for too much or too long, except if they release some file for free. Just like I said earlier in the video, that there are some files that are unlimited to use to browse. So that is how to use the data, VPN to browse for free on your smartphone. This same plan work for MTN, Glo, Airtel, and others. So if you have any opinion or any experience or any other app that is just to browse for free, you can also use it. You can also mention it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. You're leaving without subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. So many viewers watching this right now. I know many will subscribe. Don't be the one. Thank you for watching.